Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the paragraph spacing for texts in your text documents on LibreOffice Writer in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your text document, highlight the text you'd like to edit. And here to the right guys, navigate to the text box properties. You may access these by clicking into that handle here in the left sidebar and expand it. So with that, what you want to do guys is use these buttons here for the paragraph spacing. For example, increase it or decrease it, and you will see the preview here to the left. Now, as you can see, it's different from changing the line spacing, right? The line spacing is just below. You may access these settings also here at the top. The paragraph spacing increased or decreased is just next to the line spacing settings and the indent. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.